Hey guys, it's Chad again. I'm having to replace my AC compressor today because unfortunately 2 weeks ago it hit 118 degrees outside and my AC compressor shaft and clutch both broke and melted. So there's a proper way of doing this. First things first, you will want to have your AC system evacuated by a professional, and then afterward you can go on ahead and begin your repairs. I went to O'Reilly's and picked up my replacement compressor for $200, give or take, with a discount that I was able to get with my O'Reilly rewards. And now I've just begun the removal process. You will need a 15 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and 10 millimeter socket to complete this job. And also, you're going to need a Torx bit to get the compressor hose housing off of the old compressor, and that'll be a T40 Torx fitting. And then for the 15 millimeter, I like to use a breaker bar just to get the belt undone. As you can already see that it's been undone. The 13 millimeter is to remove the bolt posts that hold the compressor housing in, and the 10 millimeter is what holds the hoses to the compressor. So right now I am in the middle of replacing it. As you can see, I've already got the compressor out over there, and now I'm prepping a new one to go in. Show you more in a minute.